Hello and welcome back again, my friend, with Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes and you're going to find timeline down in the description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style and the timeline it will suit your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, yes, I'm talking to you watching me now. Are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, my friend. Just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all. So like that when we put in a new video, going to be notified. Or you can even join our Telegram channel. The link of our Telegram channel is in the first comment because on Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family. As you see, guys, here what the Bitcoin done today, and today is Monday, so everything it's look healthy till now. You don't need to be scared. Look here, we got now an inside bar. Yes, the volume is getting lower and lower, but now also we're getting an inside bar here. Even that one, if it's breaking above here, you can enter long, and if it's breaking down here, you can enter short. Till now, everything is still looking healthy here in the daily. There is nothing changed, and all the investors, they're still waiting till the Fed is going to come with the interest rate decision. But also we don't care about that. Also we got here the 50 moving average is crossing above the 200 moving average, and also we are going up above here. Everything it's look great here. Even if you look in here at the 200 moving average, it started going up a little bit here. So everything it's looking great here in the daily. And I want to show you something else today. Let me show it to you, then we came back, we analyze here. What I want to show you is that one I showed it to you before, but look at the color here. You see it now or no? How it's become like, how is it here? Dark blue. Like, how is it here? Dark blue. Like, how is it here? Dark blue. That one, by the way, is named stock flow. As you see it, the color changed to dark blue here. That one is a very good sign. Also, we're changing from bear market to a bull market. So don't follow people. They never ever trade the Bitcoin. So Bitcoin here, everything it's looking great. And also, we are official, as I told it to you yesterday in the last video. I told you also official. We're changing from bear market to bull market. So if you are a long-term trader, just DCA and forget about all the noise next to you. Just DCA, guys. Just DCA. But the only thing I can tell you, the picture is too clear here. Now it's going back to the chart. So here in the daily, it's going to happen a correction. I told it to you yesterday. I told you maybe it's going to happen till here, till 25k. Maybe it's going to happen in Wednesday when the Fed going to come. But till now there is nothing new. If that correction happen till here, you enter again, you buy again. Anytime you saw a correction, buy. That's the only thing I can tell you those days. Anytime you saw a correction, buy. Like how it happened here, me I buy from here. People, they are in my channel, my Telegram channel, they know that. Me I buy from here, exactly. Even you, any correction happen those days, buy. Remember my word. Any correction happen those days, buy. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see the coming news for today. So let's go in there. The coming news for today, as you see it, is it here. We don't got something special here. We just got that one here. Exiting home sales of USA. And down it doesn't got a big impact to the market because now the big problem is the banking sector. So the exiting home sales will not have a big impact to Bitcoin. But the picture is too clear here. And another thing we got here, the table of us, we're looking at it every day. As you see it, today all US stocks, they went up, or it's a green day for US stocks today, but it's not yet. You need to wait more for your stock, and I analyze it for you in the last video. If you haven't watched it, you can go back and watch it. And here our friend is the VIX. It fell down a little bit compared to Saturday and yesterday. We used to be 26, today we are 24, but currency is still too high. Also we are here 24, as you see it. That means currency is still very, very, very high. So you don't need to base your trade based on a market. Currency in it is too high, and I tell you why, because of the banking sector. And the banking sector is a good thing for the crypto, because people, they losing faith in the fiat currency, let's speak it like that. And all the world is moving now to digital currency. That's very good news. I think picture is too clear here. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Yes, you are right. Also, we said here, till now we don't got any price action for us to enter short. That's what also we said in the last videos. Do you see any price action here telling you can enter short now? Till now there is nothing here. So also we still in an up trend. Yes, today it happened that market is being flat, and that's normal because Monday, and may I tell it to you, Monday is always the market will do against what is going to do all the week. So till now here in the 4 hours there is nothing. You need to wait and more, and we don't got any price action here telling us the market is going to reverse. So we need to wait and more till the market give us here a clear price action, like how it happened here before. People they been with us, they remember that we used to have here a wait. Till now us we don't got nothing here, so we need to wait and more till the market give us a clear picture where it's going to go. Now we don't got nothing, so we need to wait and more, guys. I think picture is too clear here. Now it's going to see our indicators what they say in here in the 4 hours. So it's going there. Our indicator, I'll show you, we got here a clear divergence, but till now we haven't got any price action in the chart. So we need to wait in the market to give us a price action, because even though when it came out from the overbought area, it will going back. So till now us we still waiting what's going to happen in the coming hours or coming days. Maybe that one is going to fall down till here, then after that to move up. We don't know exactly what's going to happen, and also we still waiting the price action to tell us the market is going to change. And the good news here, also we still in the place where is the bulls they controlling, there is no bears. So us technically also we still in an uptrend, there is no downtrend now in the 4 hours. So if you go into lower time frames and you base your trading on that, you're going to make nice profit because you spot the right direction of the market. The right direction of the market is an uptrend, as you see it here. Also we are here in the bull market, not bear. Bear it need to fall down to break for us here. So till now there is nothing yet. I think picture is too clear here. Now it's going to see our other indicator what it's saying. That one here, as you see it, is it here at the overbought area. Same thing, but we don't got no price action here telling us the market is going to fall down. So we need to wait here more till the market give us here a clear price action. Then also we're going to base our trade on it. Till now there is nothing, so we need to wait here more what the market is going to tell us. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. And here even the 50 moving average is cross above here, as you see it going up. But me, I don't follow the crosses because me, I don't trade by those things. But as you see it, it's cross above here, and even that one it's indicating the market is still going up. So you can't go against the trend because that one here is just a oscillator down. So we don't base our trading on oscillators. We're basing our trading on price action. Till now we don't got any price action here, so we need to wait more what the market is going to tell us in the coming hours and coming days. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. In the last video I told you like that. We making something like that. That's what me I told you. And in the top we doing like that. And I told you either to break above here or to break down here. Now we got another price action here in 30 minutes. Look with me here. What I got here. And in the top we got here like a small triangle here. Even that one now you can base your trade on it. If the market came and break down here, you can enter short. If the market came and breaking above here, you can enter long. So till now the market hasn't break either up or either down. And in the last video I told you the market tried to give us here a double top, but I told you if it need to break for us the neckline. Till now it hasn't breaking down, and now he gave us here that price action. I just show it to you now. He gave us here like a very clear triangle here. Now that one, if the market came and breaking above here, you enter long and you put stop loss down here in that level. If the market came and breaking down here, you enter short, and the stop loss you put it here in the top here. Everything is too clear, guys. So let's go now to see our indicator what it's saying here in 30 minutes. Our indicator, I'll show you that divergence we got here. I show it to you in the last video. Look at it, very clear divergence here. Should you enter short unless if the price action tell you that the price action you have is that triangle here or the trend line here. It needs to come down and to break here. If it's breaking down here, you can enter short, and I'll show you where to put the stop loss. I told you put it here. If you enter in short for the long, you put it down here. So till now there is nothing yet. You need to wait and more what the market is going to tell you in the coming hours and coming days. Now there is nothing here. I think picture is too clear, guys. So Let me summarize everything for you. Here we got two price actions. We got that one here, the down one or the downtrend here, but that one is not that clear. Now you got here a very clear price action. You can bring it from here as you see it. I bring it from that level here, that one here, and that one here, and you connecting those dots together. In the top, you came to those ones and you do it like that. As you see it, you got here a very clear triangle. You draw it in your chart and you wait in the break what is going to happen. To break up, you enter long. If it's breaking down, you enter short. If you enter long, you put stop loss down here. If you enter short, you put stop loss up here. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.